on, guys? Today I'm coming back to you guys with a very different video. Today is going to be like the first of many videos, I hope, in the future. But today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. I'm literally so excited for this. I've been waiting for this package for not even that long, like just like a week. Before I tell you guys what's going on and like what I'm actually going to get, let's just hop right into this and then I'll explain myself after that. So right here we got a box from Adorama. I hope I said your guys' name right. I'm sorry if I didn't. But anyway, this is them. This company. If this is what I got, if this is what's in the box, you guys don't understand how happy I'm about to be, bro. Like, this could be a whole scam, but I mean, I don't think so. I've seen so many good things about it, and this is for you guys that are hesitant on buying from this website. I don't know. I don't know how to express my words to you guys. I don't know. I'm looking back. I just edited this video and I have to redo this little part right here because I never fully explained about the website Adorama. If I'm saying that right. I'm sorry if I'm not saying that right. I made this video if you guys are hesitant on buying off this website, because I know at first I was very hesitant at buying off this website just because the items were pretty cheap. Adorama, the website itself, I'm gonna read what they say that they're about. So basically what they say they're about, they said, we are the world's only full-service destination for video, pictures, and electronics. But, you know, they're more than a camera store, as they say, because they offer the best selection and the best prices on all the professional photography, videography, audio, and consumer electronics, their home theater, mobile computing, home office equipment, and more. Basically, this website has everything. It has all that you need in one crazy little spot for very cheap. Like, most of these items on this website are on sale, have crazy deals, and you know, that makes everybody hesitate a little bit just to buy it. But me, I've had a very good experience with this website. I got my camera in under a week, and for free shipping, that's fine by me. Really, in like a blink of an eye, a snap of a finger, I had my camera in my hands. I've been playing around with this camera for a little bit, and I can tell you that it's legit. It works perfect. It works just like a Sony A7 Mark II. So this camera's legit, this website's legit. I will give it a 10 out of 10. You guys should not hesitate to buy off this website. This is a legit website. So get your buying on, go buy from this website. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. This is just a dude who wanted a camera and got a camera. And now I'm gonna keep buying off this website because now that I know it is legit and it gives me some deals, so I'm gonna be buying off it all the time. So if you guys want to sponsor a video, if you want to send me some gear, if you want to do anything, top link in my YouTube page, not my description. My YouTube page, there's a little email. Y'all can click on it if you want. We can chat it up. Let's get back to the video. This is for you guys, so let's see if they sent me what I ordered. So, we got on top is just some billing information and stuff. Some good stuff. Ooh! Oh my god! Oh my god. Alright. I've seen this camera many times before, so I don't know why I'm freaking out, but like the fact that it's mine and it's sitting right here is literally insane. So this is, I don't want to break it, this is my new baby. Come on. Throw the box over there. But this is my new Sony A7 Mark II. And compared to what I'm filming on right now, this thing is crazy. And I know a lot of you guys out there are going to be looking at this and be like, that's not even that good. But for me, this is a very big step up, and I'm very excited about this. Yeah, if you guys are looking into the Sony A7 Mark II, I'm going to be showing you guys some aspects on this camera. I'm not going to really go too in-depth. I'll probably make another video in the future about it. But this is just the unboxing of this one from Adorama. And yeah, let's see if they actually sent me what I was supposed to get. Let's see what my boy's unboxing. Okay, the Sony A7 Mark II. Okay, open it up. First, we're greeted with the manual. We don't really need that, bro. Just throw that away. Throw it away, bro. Yeah, that's right. Alright, be gentle with the box, G. Be gentle with it, bro. Dang, bro, you about to drop it? Oh! Ooh. Okay, just set the box over there. Yeah, good. Alright, there. What do we got? We got the 2870mm lens. Oh
my god.
Yeah, that's right,
Look
bro.
at her.
Look,
Well,
I know.
this isn't nice.
Oh, she's nice, bro. Oh my god, take it out. Bro, focus the lens, bro. Come on. Focus it up.
This.
Yes, she does, bro. Oh my god. Let's get to the body. Let's get to the body. Focus it up. You seeing this?
I can't believe this shit is mine, bro. It is so nice.
I can't believe it either, but this is nice. Focus it up. I can't see.
This is why I need a new camera.
Oh my god. Oh, that body is.
Damn.
Yeah, bro. That strap we don't need. Throw it away. Throw it away, bro. Yeah. That was my boy's unboxing. He didn't really do that good of a job doing it, but you know, the Sony a7X in this box. It comes with the battery. It comes with the charger. It comes with the body. It comes with the lens. And you know, it's overall, that's all you need when you get a camera. So this unboxing, that unboxing was not good. My boy did not film that good. I don't know what he was thinking when he was filming that, but that was not good. So I'm sorry y'all had to see that. But oh my god, Adorama, they packaged it nice. They had Adorama. I truly thank you for putting all this bubble wrap. Well, I truly thank you for putting all this bubble wrap in, because it saved my A7 Mark II from getting destroyed on the way here. So, you know, thank you for wrapping it up and all that. You know, Adorama, they securely packaged your cameras. They make sure that you get everything in one piece, beautifully, in prime condition. So, thank you, Adorama. 10 out of 10 would recommend buying from this website, and you know, that's the unboxing. I'm gonna make a video soon on the aspects of this camera, why it's good, why you guys should get it. But for now, that's the unboxing. That's all you guys get to see. I'm sorry that my boy didn't film like the unboxing really good, but if you guys want to see the box again, this is the box. This is the box. So, anyway, that was unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video, which is probably coming up kind of soon. I don't know. Hey, if y'all like this beat, make sure to check that link in the description. Shout out my boy Steven Prosty for this fire beat. I have another thing I'm going to be reviewing within the next week, so stay tuned on that one. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace out.
Cause they scared to rap. Funny how they shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself. Take a look. Hey, I'm a bar spitter. I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a